Good morning, Agris. It is October 1st and I'm taking you on one of my favorite activities of the year. Today we are harvesting the grapes that we use to make our wine in the village. We get together during several days and collect the grapes by hand. And today I wanted to share with you guys this process and what we do to collect our grapes and how we process them. Let's get to it, Agris! This is the field where we're gonna be harvesting the grapes today. We are first harvesting the white grapes and then we will do the red ones. So we put the grapes in these containers and once they're full, we take it to the tractor back there and we unload them. My harvest partner arrived. My grandpa. A ver, abuelo.
Ay, qué bien me encuentra. Ay, madre. Carabinas. Yo soy de montón, los traigo.
¿Y qué le cantabais a la Lupe?
Coño, pues eso, la supe,
Pero...
Lupe. La supe.
Cántalo otra vez.
Que para el mes que entra te vas a casar, pero recuerda, si acaso no te compre, no vengas con otro divorciado. Claro, no se te va a ver. Y es que se viene nada.
We have harvested the white grape. We still have to harvest some more, but we're gonna eat something now. Hora del almuerzo.
Qué bueno está la...
Puedes partirlo más fino.
¿Y esto?
Amén.
Ahí llaman.
Sola. Ay, ay.
Yo he traído como... Le estoy diciendo...
Venga.
Esto es muy bueno. Aparta más.
Ay, di que no, di que no.
But it goes so fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm on to you, used to pay my mind like.
When we're harvesting, it's important to not cut the main branches, which are these, which we will use for next year. And we need to cut at the top here. And as you can see, we get the whole thing out and into there, and we keep going. Now we're harvesting the red grape or black grapes, which in Spain we call uva tinta. We harvested the red grapes. So 2 trailers, one with white grapes and another one with black red grapes. And now we take them with the tractors to the bodegas, and there they will make the wine. Now we're going to another vineyard to finish harvesting over there. A ver.
Yes, ready, que eres fandango.
talk about vines, we also see that they are often used in grafting processes, and I'm going to show you the different varieties of vines that we have in this vineyard. In this vine, you can see that the grapes are much smaller and that the clusters are separated. This is the variety of vine that we graft the good varieties on. So this is for the roots. These grapes, in the other hand, as you can see, the clusters are much bigger. The grapes are also much bigger and they're juicier as well. If you can see that they're juicier. This is what we call tempranillo, and this vine has already been grafted. So they grafted the tempranillo variety into the vine that I showed you before. Okay, it's 3 p.m. so we're gonna stop for lunch, and we have harvested already the white grapes from the second vineyard, and we need to harvest the red grapes. So we're gonna have lunch, and after lunch we're gonna keep harvesting, and after that we're gonna go down to the bodegas and we're gonna start making pressing the grapes in order to make the wine. In this vineyard we have 3 different varieties of red grapes. This first one, as you can see, it's a little bit lighter. We call it albillo rosado. And then these ones, which are darker, we call them tempranillo. And about the white grapes, we have many different varieties. This one here is Malvasia. It's the one that they use in champagnes and freezing white wines. And then we also have Albacia, which is the grapes that are used to be just eaten or left at the table. And then we also have varieties Jerez, Moscatel, Jerez Moscatel, and Verdejo. Hey guys, so it's 7 p.m. and we're done harvesting the red grapes as well. So that's it for today. We had to wait until today morning to finally process the grapes and everything, and that's what these guys are doing here. I'll show you now. What they do is they unload the grapes into here, and then the grapes are smashed together, and the grape juice goes here down into the bodega, and then the machine releases this here. So from the machine over there, the wine juice, the grape juice comes into here, and it goes down into the bodega. So after pressing the grapes, we get this grape juice here, which we call mosto. We are down in the bodega, and it's a small but beautiful one, and this is what we do. So as you can see, the grape juice comes down into here. Then the grape juice will start its fermentation process, and then will turn into wine. The mosto falls into here, as I was saying before, and it stays here for like a month and a half. After that time, we do what we call in Spain trasegar, which is decanting the wine, and we put it inside those blue plastic recipients. After it stays there for like a month or maybe even 2 months, we decant it again and we put them inside these metal ones.
You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
That's it. That's how we make our wine here. This is all for self-consumption here with our friends at the village. And yeah, it's a tradition that we like to follow every year, and we like to maintain it throughout the generations. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed us harvesting our grapes so that we can make our wine for the whole year. And yeah, this is what we do. We all get together. This time of the year for us is like a big party, so we enjoy it to the maximum. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can see more agriculture videos and our countryside life videos. And yeah, see you next time, Agris.